Hi again. I have fine-tuned the workflow to work better with Nano Banana images. So here you can see this is the Nano Banana image, and yeah, from the long shot it's very good, but from the close-up no. And after refining, you can see that we were able to restore all the details. And some parts in upscaling that are very complicated are grasses. And here you can see that what's the quality. And most important part is from the long shot, you can see that still we have a great consistency. If I switch into the full screen, you can see. And for example, here, it was before, and this is after upscaling. So it's upscaling, refining, denoising, and also fixing the problem inside the image that are coming from Nano Banana, because the noise pattern and also the sharpness in Nano Banana image is different. So I decided to find the workflow, and now it's very easy to use. And let me show you another sample. So this is the Nano Banana render. This is the fine-tuned upscaled render. So from the it's very important, because from the long shot, everything should be consistent without any tile or changing colors and materials. And if I zoom into the detail, you can see that, okay, this is great. This is the Nano Banana render, and this is after upscaling and refining. So upscaling and refining for Nano Banana render is completely different by normal upscaling, because your source input image is in high quality, and you have to denoise and add more detail into the image. And for example, here, this is the Nano Banana render, and this is the fine-tuned upscaled render. Or maybe here, yeah, on the cars, or maybe on the tower, yeah. So everything is clear and sharp after refining and upscaling. So you can use this workflow in your ComfyUI in your computer. If you want, you can download the and custom nodes and also workflow from my Patreon, or through our web platform WizDev. You can test it. And yep, this is how it's working. And let me show you inside the ComfyUI, and this is inside the ComfyUI, all the workflow and the result. So it's very consistent and perfect. And yeah, and this is the flowchart. We build this platform for converting any ComfyUI workflow into the web application. So if you want to design some web application based on your ComfyUI workflow, Flowgen can handle that for you. It's a white label product, so you can buy the Flowgen and run it on your servers. Yeah, it's all. And just I want to tell you that this preset also is added. And if you go to the Flowgen, okay, and click on get started, click on workflow, okay, here you can see that there is a specific upscaler for Nano Banana. So use it and let me know what's your idea. Thank you.